Welcome to EDU IT Tutorials. Please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get the latest updates. In this video, show how to install VMware tools in the VM. VMware tools is a setup of services and modules that enable several features in VMware products for better management and seamless user interactions with guest operating system. Log in the vSphere. Select the VM in the console which we want to install the VMware tools. Here we can see VMware tools installation status, and here VMware tools are not installed. Click Install VMware tools. Click on Mount, that will mount the VMware tools virtual CD or DVD in the VM. Now launch Web Console to open the VM. VMware Tools DVD mounted is here. Open the drive and run the setup file to install the VMware tools. Click on Next to continue the installations. Choose setup type. Here we selected typical. Now click on Install. VMware Tools installation is over. Now we can observe that the VMware tools are installed in the VM Summary tab. Now here we can see DNS name and IP address of the VM. And we have other advantages also from VMware tools.